Dude, I miss when the list was free and incipient was top 150. I wish we could go back to that time. Dude, Black Blizzard was like list worthy. Like, I'm pretty sure it was. Guess it wasn't until a few months ago this fell off the main list. I don't remember honestly. Dang. Okay. I just beat Black Blizzard. Yes! Yes! I beat Black Blizzard! Yes! I beat it! I beat it! I beat it! Oh my god! I beat Black Blizzard. It's over. It's over. Creepium, answer my call, please. Oh my god. I beat Black Blizzard. I beat Black Blizzard! Yes! I beat it! Dude, I literally beat Black Blizzard.
Oh.
Dude, I didn't die the last 15%. Yes! 6th time at the drop today. Dude, I'm sorry for waking you up. You sound tired. Yes!
No, I already woke up. It's fine.
OBS didn't freeze? Yes! 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 Oh my god! I got 81 earlier today, and I was like, dang, if the second cube wouldn't stop mind blocking me. Oh my god. I beat it! I beat it, dude! Dude, I was controlling my nerves so well at the last part, and once I passed the ship, I was like, I know how to do this wave. I've rhythm clicked this wave so much. Oh my god, that is a screenshot right there. Yes! Alright, time for attempt add up. It's less than glide, let's go.
Subglide.
Subglide. Oh my god. Oh my dude. Alright, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. That's a 7. I do not think that's a 1. Dude, I was like, if I could just get to the drop more, I know I could beat this. I guess getting to the drop one more time did it. Alright, final attempt count. 27079. Yes! Oh my god. I did say at one point that if I got a computer, I would try to beat Black Blizzard at some point. It's 111. I don't think my aunt would answer me if I called her right now.
Yeah.
Cause it's kind of 211 where she lives. That is it. I beat that with my glasses. These glasses give me powers. I'm gonna wear these glasses.
Alright.
Sitting lasted 2 hours, 47 minutes, and 34 seconds.